Hello. This video will demonstrate the basic use of the Quixi Free Companion app. The Quixi Free Companion app allows you to adjust the settings of your Quixi Free and Pro devices, to manage patient measurement records, to analyze advanced wavefront refraction metrics, and to generate patient measurement reports. First, you will see how to download and install the companion app and connect it to a Quixi Free device for the first time. The Quixi Free Companion app is available for Windows, Android, and macOS. For Windows, navigate to the Plenoptica website and follow the installation instructions by clicking here. For Android, install the app from Google Play. And for macOS, you can get the app from the App Store, or you can download it from the Plenoptica website and follow the installation instructions. Since it is possible to store sensitive data in the companion app, you will first have to set a password to ensure that only authorized personnel will have access to this data. Then you will have to enter the password, confirm it, and then the companion app will display a secure code that will be used as a recovery method if you forget the password. Please note it in a safe location. After you have copied this code, you can click here and you can enter your password again to log in into the app. Now that we have logged in, we can turn on our Quixi Free and put it in discoverable mode. Do this by toggling the Bluetooth off and on again. In Android and macOS, you can directly find the device under the Other Available Devices section. However, on a Windows computer, when connecting the Quixi Free to the companion app for the first time, you need to connect it through the Windows Bluetooth settings, in the same way that you would connect a pair of headphones. After pairing through Windows settings, the device will appear under Other Available Devices. Tap on it and enter the 4-digit code that will appear on the screen of the Quixi Free. Once you are connected, the companion app will check if your Quixi Free is up to date and a message will appear if an update is available. Click on the update message and your device will be updated. Wait until it turns off. That will complete the update process. If you want to connect the companion app again to the same Quixi Free, it will be available in the previously connected device section, and it will not require a security code. You can disconnect and will be able to connect again. It is possible that the Quixi Free does not pair with the companion app on the first attempt. This is because Bluetooth is a sensitive technology. If you experience this issue, follow these troubleshooting steps. First, turn the Quixi Free Bluetooth off and on again to enable the discoverable mode. This typically solves the issue, and the Quixi Free should appear in the companion app within a few seconds. Then ensure that the Android, Windows, or macOS device has the minimum technical requirements. Also ensure that you are using the latest version of the companion app and the latest version of the Quixi Free. If you are using Windows, remember to please first pair the Quixi Free through the Windows Bluetooth settings. If these steps do not solve the problem, go to your Quixi Free. Go to the settings, click on Reset, and click the option to reset the Bluetooth connections. This will reset the Quixi Free Bluetooth memory so it can be connected again as if pairing for the first time. Note that, on Windows, this will require re-pairing it through the Bluetooth settings. This completes the introduction. Now you know how to install the companion app, create a secure password, and connect it to the Quixi Free for the first time. Thank you for watching.